everyone. Welcome to this Simperion IAS YouTube channel. Today's theme for discussion is Mediterranean region or the regions around Mediterranean Sea. Mainly the focus point will be Mediterranean Sea. You can see in this particular map that Mediterranean Sea is bound by around 22 countries and a territory of Gibraltar. So if you go through the previous year questions, one of the very important topic, especially in the geography, is the countries that are opening to the sea or opening to the ocean. So the mnemonic to remember the countries bordering the Mediterranean Sea is Sci-Fi GM4 Castle Blast. S for Spain, C for Cyprus, I for Israel, F for France, I for Italy, G for Greece, M for Monaco, M for Monaco, Morocco, Malta and Montenegro, C Croatia, A Algeria, S for Slovenia, T for Turkey, L for Lebanon, E for Egypt, B for Bosnia, L for Libya, A for Albania, S for Syria, T for Tunisia, and a territory of Gibraltar. Please remember this Sci-Fi GM4 Castle Blast. Let's go to the next. Mainly the 22 countries. It includes the European countries, it includes West Asian countries, it includes North African countries as well. Usually, if you go through the PYQ, the UPSC gives one of the country, the Jordan. But the very important is the Jordan doesn't open to the Mediterranean Sea. The Jordan doesn't open to the Mediterranean Sea. On the west of the Jordan, there is Israel. So Jordan doesn't directly open to the Mediterranean Sea. That's important to remember. And remember the 22 countries and the territory of Gibraltar. That's important. Let's go to the Mediterranean climate now. Mediterranean climate, as you know, can be seen between 30° north to 45° north to 30° south to the 45° south. It is seen in the Mediterranean basin. Very important, it's seen in the Mediterranean basin. It's seen in the California, USA, California. It's seen in the Chile. It's seen in the South Africa. It's seen in the Australia. It's seen in the Australia. Let's go to the next slide. This is very interesting. Remember this. Mediterranean climate. What is the unique feature of Mediterranean climate? The unique feature of Mediterranean climate is dry summers. Dry summer and rain during the winter season. Wet winter. Rain during the winter season. Rain during the winter season. See, one way of asking the area which has a Mediterranean climate is they will give few places. Say Los Angeles in California. I think one second. This was a previous year question. They'll give a Los Angeles. They're given Santiago. Santiago is the capital of Chile. Adelaide is in Australia. Cape Town is in South Africa. Like people who watch, I think cricket will be knowing it. Cape Town, South Africa, Adelaide, Australia, Los Angeles, USA, Santiago. Which of the following has Mediterranean climate? All has Mediterranean climate. Remember is South Africa, Chile, Californian side of the USA, Mediterranean basins and Australia have the Mediterranean climate. In the Mediterranean region, the rainfall is mainly because of the westerlies. And Mediterranean region a very mild wet season, mild rains. So there is no extreme climate. That is the reason they grow the grapes, and it is a place for viticulture. And mostly the citrus fruits are grown here in the Mediterranean region. Let's go to the next. We'll discuss about Malta, etc., in the next slides. In the Mediterranean region, people are into very specialized commercial agriculture. It's not very subsistence agriculture. It's not subsistence agriculture. They're into highly specialized commercial agriculture. This is very important. It's an area where they grow citrus fruits, the viticulture, grape is grown here, very mild climate, raining during the winter season, dry summers, highly specialized agriculture. These are unique features. Next, go to the Levant. Levant is an eastern Mediterranean shore. This question was asked in the UPSC IAS Civil Services Prelims. The Levant, the countries that are part of the Levant region are the Syria, Lebanon. We'll show that in the map as well. Israel, Jordan, and Cyprus. 5 countries are part of the Levant region. Yes, this is the slide I wanted to discuss. This is the Levant region, like to the extreme to the eastern side. The Cyprus is here. You can see the Cyprus, Syria, and the down Israel, Jordan, etc. See, there is a strait of Gibraltar here. The Strait of Gibraltar connects the Mediterranean Sea and the Atlantic Ocean. Strait of Gibraltar connects. It is to the west side of Mediterranean Sea. The Strait of Gibraltar connects Atlantic and the Mediterranean Ocean. Next, there is a Strait of Bosporus. The Strait of Bosporus here around here. The Strait of Bosporus connects Black Sea and the Mediterranean Sea. Black Sea and the Mediterranean Sea. Then there is a Suez Canal. Suez Canal connects Mediterranean Sea and the Red Sea. It is near Egypt here. To the eastern side of Egypt, you can see the Suez Canal connects Mediterranean Sea and the Red Sea. The Turkey is the country between that of Black Sea and Mediterranean Sea. The Turkey is between, we can see the Turkey here. Sorry, I'll change the color. Turkey is between Black Sea and the Mediterranean Sea. Next, there is a storm called Sirocco storm. There is a storm called as Sirocco. It's a storm. The Sirocco storms, they flow from African Saharan desert towards the Mediterranean Sea. Sirocco storms flow from Sirocco, flow from African region, Sahara deserts, especially Sahara desert, to the Mediterranean Sea. The other thing to remember is all the islands in the Mediterranean Ocean. We can see here Balearic Island. This question was asked. Balearic Islands is in the Mediterranean. Sardinia is in the Mediterranean. Malta is in Mediterranean. Cyprus, you can see that to the extreme right here, the Cyprus, the marked in the red underlined. Cyprus, this side, is also in the Mediterranean. These questions are asked. Please remember few of these islands, especially the Balearic Islands, Sardinia, Malta, Cyprus, etc. What is the importance of the Mediterranean region to the India? The wind blowing from the Mediterranean region bring rainfall to the northwestern part of India. That's called western disturbances. That's western disturbances. Mainly the westerlies. The western disturbance is caused by the westerlies. They flow from the west to east. The westerlies are the low pressure system, and they bring the moisture. They carry a little moisture. They flow. They blow at a higher atmosphere. That's very important. Normally sorry the tropical storms, they blow at lower atmosphere. uh, the westerlies, they blow at a higher atmosphere carrying little moisture. It's a low pressure system, flow from western to east, that is Mediterranean region to the Indian region, bring northwestern disturbance to the India. Next very important is the river emptying into the Mediterranean Sea. The Rhone river empties into Mediterranean Sea, and rain empties into the, I think, northern sea. Both originate in the Switzerland. The Rhone, Rhone, empties into the Mediterranean Sea. Even this question was asked. Whatever we have discussed here, these are all based on 30 plus questions which are asked in the previous year. NDA, CDS, CAPF, and civil services examination and IAS examination. Another important points regarding the Mediterranean is Eastern Mediterranean region is biodiversity hotspot. Eastern Mediterranean region, that is to the side of Cyprus, bordering Turkey, etc. is this area is a biodiversity. Eastern Mediterranean is a biodiversity hotspot. The unique feature we already discussed it: warm and dry climate during the summers, mild wet winters, and that area has evergreen oak trees. The Mediterranean region has, very important, remember this, evergreen oak trees. The other important thing is, this question was asked I think 2-3 times. 1700 kilometer BTC pipeline. It's a oil pipeline. B is for Baku, T is for Tbilisi, C is for Ceyhan, Ceyhan. You can see in this particular map. Baku is in Azerbaijan. Mainly the 1700 kilometer TBC pipeline connects the Caspian Sea and here the Mediterranean Sea. Ceyhan in the Turkey, Tbilisi in the Georgia, and Baku in the Azerbaijan, that is opening to the Caspian Sea. Okay. In this particular video, we have discussed about countries bordering the Mediterranean Sea. We have discussed about Mediterranean climate. We have discussed about islands in the Mediterranean Sea. We have discussed about straits that Mediterranean Sea connects with different sea, Gibraltar, Bosphorus, etc., Suez Canal. And Jordan doesn't open into the Mediterranean Sea. Turkey is in between of Black Sea and the Mediterranean Sea. And we have discussed about BTC pipeline, that is between Baku, Tbilisi and Ceyhan. We have discussed the region of Levant. We have discussed Mediterranean region and western disturbance to India. We have discussed about westerlies. We have discussed about Sirocco, the storm that is blowing in from the Saharan region. We have discussed about region that has a Mediterranean climate, that is California, Chile, Mediterranean Sea regions, South Africa and Australia. Please watch this video, it's very important. It covers all Mediterranean region and importance of Mediterranean region regarding the viticulture, grape and also the citrus fruits. For many such interesting videos in the future, Please subscribe to Simperion IAS YouTube channel. Please join our Telegram group UPSC Mains GS 2024. Please go and visit our website UPSC Mains Previous Years Answers.com. We already have 3 products. Prelims Monster, where we have shown how to solve the 2016 to 2023 previous year question using the PYQ and intelligent elimination techniques. We have answers for ethics PYQs for last 10 plus years. We have answered all questions including the part A and the case studies. We have topic wise divided PYQ question bank for the mains for last 40 years for GS1 to GS4 including the essay. Thank you for patiently watching the video. Please give your suggestions in the comment box. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel, join our Telegram group. Thank you.